Okay guys, today we'll see the how to install a NetBeans in our machine. So first you go to your Google and type the NetBeans. Type NetBeans. Type here the NetBeans and download the NetBeans IDE 8.2. Download the NetBeans IDE 8.2. So here you have to download this, the last one. You have to download the last one. You download that one. It includes all Java related information and PHP and HTML information also available. You download and install in your machine. In your machine. So it will start the installation process. So here you are getting some error, is that is a JDK was not for, means what, you are not installed in your Java here in your machine. So first what you have to do here is you have to install the Java. So go to the type JDK in Google and go to the oracle.com. So here you will find the installation file. So if you are using the Windows operating system, you can download the JDK 64 version, 64-bit version. You can download and install before installing your NetBeans. If you are not having the JDK, your NetBeans will not be installed in your machine. Okay, you install that particular Java software in your machine. Now start the installation process of your NetBeans. So NetBeans, for installation it will take some time. So here the one more thing here is you have to select the Tomcat. You have to select the Tomcat, it is mandatory for us. So with the help of this particular server, in coming units we are talking about the JSP and servlets. For the Tomcat server is required. So for that it is mandatory for us. So it will take some couple of minutes. So once click on the finish button, now go to the Windows icon and press the NetBeans. Your NetBeans is installed successfully in your machine. You click on the NetBeans. So NetBeans will be opened in your machine. Now click on the project. This is called the creation of the new project. You click on that new project. So here you have to select the, if you are developing the HTML pages, you click on the HTML. So it is a web application. So you need not to open your notepad and run in a browser. So if you download the NetBeans, you can use. So here if you want some templates, you can use the templates. So here we are not talking about all these things in JSON format and GRAPHQL format, we are not using. So uncheck that one. After that, one index page will be created. So this is a default text. This is a default information is available. So in your head tag, you make the title home, and if you want you can keep or you can delete this one. So in here I am talking about the heading tags H1, H2. Total we are having how many headings are there? We are having the total 6 headings are there. That is starting with the H1 and ending with H6. H6 is the last tag. Okay. Now compile. So your output will be displayed in a web browser. This is a H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and a H6. Okay. So here you have to set your browser here. So after that, so we seen some subscript and superscript tags. We seen some subscript and superscript tags in our class. We seen some subscript and superscript in our class. So this is example for the superscript. Next we'll see the break. If you want to display in the new line, for that you have to use a break. So here I am giving the break for getting the new line. So here I am displaying the information in a subscript. A1 plus A2 equal to some 0. So this is your output. Again and again you need not to open, you can refresh, you save your file and come to the browser and you can refresh here. So we will see the insertion operation. Insertion and deletion also we will see. You save your file and go to browser and refresh. Okay, so this is the insertion and this is the deletion. Already we seen in the class. Okay, so that's all. You have any queries, you can email me ja_csc@vignan.ac.in. Thank you.